Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Another unboxing video, tools from China. So let's find out what inside, and I will share my opinion about each of them. If you are interested in any of them, I will put links as always in the descriptions, in the description under this video. So yeah, this is very nice tool, I hope, because in the description it has it. It comes with some stickers to put here. This is rubber, one end of this rubber and the other is double side sticker to put here. Adjustment key, dev stop, drill bit. So let's see this drill bit. Screw and its size. It's look quality. Not sure how sharp is it. We'll test. If you are interested, I will share my opinion. Let's see what this tool. Here we have this adjustment. Go back and up and down. So as you can see, we have scale here in millimeters. I bought millimeters version. They as well have imperial version of the same tool. So adjust in any depth you want, and you are drilling hole for cabinets, door. As you know, I will try to find and put a picture of it. There is a small thing when you drill hole, put it for push and pull opening the cabinet door. So put wherever you want to drill, just that, and through this hole you are drilling quite deep hole for that very simple mechanism for push and pull the cabinet door. This is one function of this jig. It has second function, which is more interesting for me. You can tighten here, like this is a bottom of the cabinet. So you tighten here, this, like this. So you can move this part up and down. Like here, I want to drill that hole. Drilling the hole, exact place, repeatable, and put that push and pull simple mechanism to open and close door. But as well, these stickers will go here. They put, and this is very nice tool when you want to install the doors in especially hanging cabinets. It is much easier to put here door. I will show in some small part I will take. This is my test one. Like this, if you want to install the door, you put here and it will support the door till you are screwing the hinges on the main cabinet. And you do not need to, on one hand, take the door, it all the time go back and forth. It is much more easier. Put here, you can adjust whatever height you want, like this. Fasten the hinges, that's it. One hand you do not need to use for keeping door in the place. Install the door. It much more easier, and I think we can get more quality work because the doors one will not be up and down a little bit, and we will be able to put in exact position and repeatable work for each time. So what concerning to this all aluminum anodized, nice color. It's up to you. This also aluminum, metal, aluminum here, and this bushing is also metal. Hope hardened steel to not will last long time. The feeling quality is quite nice. For this jig, it is not cheap one. As I remember, I paid for about $15 or $17. I will put the link and you can check by yourself. Let's see what is the next. Something very small inside of it. Yeah. Very cheap, but I think it is useful tool to have in your toolbox. You put on the floor, for example, if you are leveling something, or you will put tiles and everything concerning to exact leveling with laser. So you can put wherever you want this tool. With the laser, you can see the height from the floor, and put laser whenever height you wish. It's much more easier than work with ruler, because you can see if you are trying to put ruler like this, go back and forth adjusting laser, it's not so convenient, believe me. So this is very simple thing, very cheap. I paid for it maximum $1. Here we have small level, as you can see. Hope it works correctly. I bought metric version. They have also imperial version as well. You can see two magnets here. If you are doing some works on the ceiling, so for some drywall works, these magnets can stick to it like this, and again laser will be adjusted very easily. So simple, cheap, nice. Really, for the price, quality made tool. It fills, as I mentioned, all this metal. This is not just paint. I feel the grooves here, so I think it will last long time, because the paint inside of that grooves and will not go out easily. So this one recommended. Let's see what in this bigger box. Some rubber special stickers. I will show for what it is, and I hope these clamps. I bought a set of them. As I remember, the price is about the whole kit. I will show what comes with the kit. Maximum $20, but I believe $15, $60. What clamp is this? For what? When you're installing the front parts of cabinets drawer, it is not always easy to adjust, keep all gaps the same, and other things. There are several techniques which people use for drawer of the cabinet to install with regular clamps. They are screwing and many other things. This clamp is specially made for that. As you can see, it's very narrow part here. Let's check the thickness of the metal, because this is minimum size of the gap. I see it's a little bit more, about 2 millimeters, 0.2. I'm manually making the gap on the cabinets, front doors, and etc. about 3 millimeters, so it's totally fine for me. It goes like this is the front part of the drawer. it goes like this. You adjust, yes, and that's it. The second one put here, and it keeps in the place the front of the drawer, and so you can open the drawer and fasten from the back side of it. In the clamp we can see some marks, 32, 46, 40 and 50 millimeters. Frankly, at this moment I do not know for what we should use this marking, but when we'll do a review in real work, I show how I'm using them, I will tell about it. And as well I bought these sets of you can see different shapes. Yeah. This when you have like a drawers and very narrow part here, and you need to go like this, put there. So for different situation application, it is better to buy everything, especially in China, in kit to have into your toolbox. Even you will not use it, but one time you will need, and buying separately this will be much more expensive and wait long time to get them. So I bought a kit. It is a better idea to buy set of 4 of these clamps, but for testing I bought it, so if I like them, if can use if it'll do the work for which it's made, I will buy another set of them. What concerning the metal, as I show, it's 2 more than 2 millimeters, very strong metal, and it feels strong, but the finish and the design, I think it's not so comfortable. I think they should work on it, develop, make it more comfortable for use. But as for quality, I liked it. It feels quality. Will use and share my opinion about it. That's it for today. I have another unboxing video. You can you can watch it very soon in my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.